Welcome to solverfy.
So I'm just going to go with the answers here. Just starting with letter A is if you have a real number that its square is 1, well then -1 squared gives you 1, but so does +1. So let's just move on to the next one. If you want a positive integer, well the first positive integer would be 1, and it's still less than 12. I'm just going through all of the positive integers. Those are whole numbers, by the way, that are less than 12. And I'm going to stop at 11 because 12 is equal to 12. We don't want that. So in letter C, if you have a square integer, so in order to be a square, it would be like 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared. Now we want these square integers, the square of an integer, to be less than 100. So I'm just going to keep going until 36 is 6 squared, 49. 8 squared is 64. I'm going to stop at 81 because 10 squared gives me 100, and we don't want to equal 100. And then there's one more, an integer that when you square it is equal to 2. Well, unfortunately, there's no integer, so we have the empty set. If you're kind of confused with that, you just open your brace, close your brace, and there's nothing inside. Because when you realize that when you try to square root both sides, there's no perfect whole number that when you square it gives you 2. So that's why this one's empty. And here's your other 3 answers.